Just like last year, McDonald's have brought in the Philly cheese stack. It's a burger that's basically cheese and onion flavoured. I tried it last year, really enjoyed it, and I think, judging by the fact that it's back, it was popular, you liked it too. So here's my own version of making the Philly cheese stack McDonald's style. First, let's compare it to what the real deal's like. As McDonald's burger go, pretty presentable. You know, sometimes they can be a bit rushed, bless them. So inside the bun, we've got pickle, cheese pieces, cheese slices we usually call them, not pieces, fried onion, dried onion, patties, 2 slices of cheese. And that gives us our cheese stack bun. McDonald's say, and it's been proven many times, they just use ground beef with salt and pepper. Your cheese slices, well, I'm sure you can find those at the supermarket. You're going to need onion in there. They've got the combination of, I suppose, real onion, pieces of onion that they fried, plus we've got dried onions that you can find to put on your salad. And the cheese sauce is the killer ingredient. Now I like this one from Hellmann's. I think it tastes just like it. It's also really good for nachos as well. So I'm going to add a dash of that. With that we'll be able to make our Philly cheese stack. Let's give the McDonald's one a try. So yeah, it's got that beefiness that you associate with McDonald's, that beef flavour. But it's that cheese and onion that you really taste. And that cheese sauce comes through really strongly. And the onions giving that little burst of sharp sweetness. So it should be dead easy. Let's give it a go. Let's start with our burger patty mix. McDonald's just use minced beef with seasonings in it. So let's get some salt and pepper onto this. A few grinds of black pepper to taste. About 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Not very much. We've got cheese and other things going on that are going to provide loads of seasoning, so don't go too heavy there. Now I'm going to combine this together to mix, but don't overwork it, otherwise the burger will become tough. Mix it, tumble it through, breaking up the larger chunks, and then I will push it into 2 even balls that are going to form patties. So I'm just going to pop that onto some scales so I know that I've got about half. That's 104, so I'll take that to the bank. And there's the other half. We've now got 2 100-gram balls of beef. Just leave that for a minute. We're going to pop that back in the fridge. It's going to firm up, and it's going to, the salt is going to start pulling it together while it rests. So I'm just going to pop that in the fridge. So while that rests, we're just going to need a bit of fresh onion. We're going to need just a very small amount per burger, something like that. Nice big piece of onion like that is going to be absolutely fine for what we need. And I'm just going to slice it a little bit so it breaks down. And now I'm just going to fry it very gently for about 10 minutes. So just a splash of oil there, just going to fry it very, very gently, just to colour it and break it down slightly so it's soft, you're not biting raw onion. After 6 to 7 minutes, you can see the onions are ready. Beef in. You can use a fish slice if you want. I've got a handy meat presser, which I reviewed in a video, which is up there somewhere. And you want to leave it on that side for a good 4 minutes so you get a nice colour on one side. And we can flip it over. And it won't take much more cooking to cook it through because they're so thin. They're just under 1 centimetre thick, I'd say. And while they finish cooking, I'm going to toast my bun. I've just got a standard brioche bun here, but you use whatever bun you like. The McDonald's one, I think they call it a pretzel sesame bun, but, you know, it's your dinner. Just flipping that over now. Added our cheese slices. That's just going to melt down now as it finishes cooking and just grip onto that burger. I reckon we're done. Time to assemble. So we get 1 slice of burger on. Second slice of burger on. We take our cooked onions. And you take some of these salad onions, the type that you sprinkle onto a salad, really. Use them quite a lot, so I've got a great big tub here. Actually, I think the smart way to do that would be to put that straight onto the cheese so it just sticks into the cheese. I didn't do that. Get our pickles on. If you're part of the anti-pickle brigade, obviously leave them off, but I'm just doing what McDonald's do. And then our cheese sauce, and then our top bun, nice smear of cheese sauce. As I said at the top, I like this Hellmann's one, works for me. So there we go, we've got our McDonald's alike Philly cheese stack. Burger, bun, onion, cheese, onion again, burger, pickles, it's all there. And it's a really good knockoff of the real thing. Let's give it a taste. Well, I've put it back in the box because it seemed mad not to. Let's try and get some. That is it, the onioniness, the cheesiness, that is it. That is a tasty, not particularly healthy, very cheeky treat. I really like it. And if you did too, I'd love it if you could hit the like button and subscribe. It helps the channel out enormously. And I'll catch you next time.